Hi everyone, welcome to Telecom Training. Today we have 5 tips to speed up your Samsung phone. Is your Samsung phone feeling slow or unresponsive? Today I'll show you simple, effective tips to keep it running quickly and efficiently. These are easy to follow and you'll see the results immediately. Let's get started. Keeping your phone optimized not only improves speed, but also extends its lifespan and saves battery. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing, these tips will help your Samsung phone perform at its best. In order to clear your cache, first you swipe down from the top, click on Settings, the little gear icon in the upper right hand corner. Then we go down looking for Apps. Right here we click on Apps. And you click on the app where you want to clear the cache from. I'm going to click on Accurate Link since that's the first one. And then you go down to Storage. You'll notice here that this Accurate app is 138 megabytes and the data it's carrying is 19.01 megabytes, which is fine. The cache is 139 kilobytes, which is small, but this grows with time and it slows down your phone, so you want to clear this every once in a while. Now I'll click Clear Cache on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And now you have more space on your phone by clearing that one app. No need to worry, this won't delete your app data. So next I'm going to be optimizing the phone. In order to do so, I have to swipe down again, go to the gear icon in the upper right hand corner. I'll click on that now. Now I will look for device care. Now it depends on the model phone you have. I have a Samsung S21. So it has device care in the menu. Some models have battery and device care. So whichever one you find, that's the one you should click on. So I'm going to scroll down and look for device care. And there's device care right in the middle. I'm going to click on device care now. As I said before, you may have battery and device care, so that would be the one you click on for your particular model of phone. So I'm going to go ahead and click on device care right now. So I have a screen that says optimize now. So I'm going to click on optimize now. It's optimizing. Now it seems to be finished and it gives you all of the check marks. Now I'm going to click on done, which is at the bottom of the screen. And optimization is completed. The next thing we're going to be talking about is background apps. What background apps are? They're basically apps that you haven't used for a while, still running on your phone, slowing it down. You basically want to keep these apps, but you don't want them to be constantly running, slowing your phone down. So there's a way to stop this from happening. So let me explain that to you. The first thing you do is to go to Settings. And once you're in Settings, you go down to Apps. I see apps right here. So all you have to do is to find apps on your phone and click on it. And now I'm in apps. Now these are all of my apps here. I can look at all of them here. Now I'm going to look at the first one because it says deep sleeping, and also the second one, and I have one more down here that says deep sleeping as well. What this means is that these apps haven't been used in a while, so they will automatically stop running in the background. That's the way I have it set up, so that they don't slow my phone down. So you could do this to just about every app. Now I'm going to show you what I did here. Let's click on the Adidas app here. So right here, I have this radial button enabled. It says remove permission if app is unused. Once this radial button is enabled, it would disable this app. It will stop it from running in the background if you haven't used it in a while. This is disabled right now, so even if you don't use the app and it's disabled, it's still going to continue running in the background. So it's a good idea to keep it enabled. You could have every app enabled on your phone because nothing happens unless you haven't used that app in quite a while. And if you haven't used it, you really don't want it to be running. If you are definitely not using an app, you should just simply uninstall that app, because unused apps take up storage and RAM. So to remove them, simply find the app that you want to remove. I'm going to remove this app here that says Solitaire right at the bottom. So what you do is just long click on that app. So just hold it down. And you'll see uninstall comes up. You just click on uninstall. And it says, do you want to uninstall this app? Yes, so I click OK. As simple as that. That app is now uninstalled. The next step I have for you is to keep your phone updated. Keeping your phone updated ensures that you have the latest performance improvements and bug fixes. So to check for updates, you simply go to Settings. I'll swipe down from the top here. Click on the gear icon in the upper right hand corner. And I'll go right to the bottom here to find software updates, which is the third up from the bottom. I'll click on software updates. And here we have download and install at the top, and at the bottom I have auto download over Wi-Fi, and I have a radial button. And it also tells me at the bottom here the last time the phone was updated. For the auto download, you want to have this radial button enabled, because if you have this radial button disabled like I just did, you wouldn't have an auto download. You'll have to remember to manually download it yourself each time by going to the top there and clicking on download and install. But if you have this enabled, it will automatically download for you once the software is available. So let's say I go to the top right now and show you what this is all about. I'm going to click on download and install. Now it's going to check for software. Now it came back and says your software is up to date because I recently updated this phone. However, if I didn't, it would have downloaded the software at this point so that I can install it. And it's as simple as that. Your phone would work much more efficiently if it is kept updated. And last but not least, remember to restart your phone every week in order to clear temporary system files and refresh performance. That's it. These simple tips will keep your Samsung phone running smoothly and efficiently. Try them out and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.